The Ginko Walk is typically done during the change of seasons and the solstice. Haiku is basically a two-phrase poem. So you take one phrase inspired by nature and juxtapose it with a human experience. There are no similes, no metaphors. There is absolutely no author intrusion. There are 3 beautiful lakes. We will sit down there and you can allow the silence to speak with you. When you feel the patch of a bark, or when you look at a decaying leaf, listen to it telling you the story without interfering in it, because Basho says, if you want to write about the pine, become the pine.